I am going to be reorganizing my palettes. I just got the 9 drawer from Ikea and I popped in some of them here because, as you can see, I have way too many palettes. I might have to declutter some, but this is how I store my palettes right now. This is the 4 drawer from Ikea, and as you can tell, it's a little over, you know, it's running out of space basically. So I really want to fit into here. I'm thinking of just making this a really short video and not showing like every single little thing I do, because I'm one of those people who fast forwards through that. I just kind of want to see like what you have in your collection, what you decluttered, and how it looks in the end. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to show you guys an overview of my collection, and then I will show you the end product. So right now I have this IKEA drawer right here. This is the 6 one that's wider. I don't think I'm going to move much from here. I might move stuff from here. This is the mom desk. I don't know if they still have this available, but in here I have face palettes with face palettes with bronzers, powders, concealers, and then all these palettes. So this is going to be rearranged into this. So this is an overview of what my setup looks like. Sorry for the mess. I was filming the other day, but this is going to change around. And hopefully you guys will just see what I declutter, if I declutter anything, and then everything nice and organized in this bad boy. This is an overview of how it came out. And basically the drawers that I switched, like I said, I'm going to show you guys just the final product. This drawer used to have the bronzers. Now it's just powders. So loose powders, face powders, and under eye powders. And I like it better this way. And then this drawer used to have the powders here on this corner. Now I put wipes, what are these called? Like sponges, the Veremonas, my little, where I mix my foundations, and then my concealers, I was able to spread them out a little bit better. Here I condensed everything into 3 drawers. There used to be 6, so I took 1 away. That way it's just a little bit less cluttered. And some of the stuff that was here I put up here, so I like that it looks a little bit cleaner. Next, we're gonna go into the drawers. This first drawer are smaller palettes. I went ahead and cleaned up some of the ones that were in here and was able to switch around, so that way this isn't as packed. Likewise with the other drawers, there's not as many, so they're not like so stacked next to each other, so I like that. Third drawer, same thing. This used to have 2 lines of palettes. Now it's just 1, and then these 2 laying down. And I like being able to see stuff. So this one I was able to take out. This drawer was like super packed. There was close to like 40 something palettes in here. Now there's way less. I can actually see what's there, you know, be able to move them around and actually look for stuff, compared to the way it was, that it was just, you know, one on top of another. I still have a lot of empty drawers on here, but this first one I basically just put more like my little scissors, my tweezers, stuff that I'm always scared that my son's gonna grab. This is just tech stuff that's for my camera, and this is to wash beauty blenders with, and this is just those little spoolies for eyebrows. In here I have a reflector for when I film. And then here I just put giveaway products. So I'm always doing giveaways, especially on my Instagram, and that way I can just have a place to store them. And once I get quite a bit, I like to do, you know, just a big box of giveaway stuff. These are all empty. And then here I put all my face palettes, like bronzer palettes and my bronzers. Next, I put a lot of the ColourPop color ones. Here are a few Winky Looks, the Alamar Cosmetics, and these are all Pure Cosmetics. Next is more of my high-end drawer. I have Pat McGrath, Natasha Denona, and then just a few random ones. And then this last drawer is Jeffree Star, some Hip Dot, Carly Bybel, Morphe, Lunar Beauty, and then these are just like some random brands. This one is Illuminati and Carity. So if you guys want more of a in-depth of my full collection, I could do that, because I know that I haven't done one in a hot minute. But I just want to kind of do a reorganization with you guys, and that's what I did. Basically reorganize these drawers in this one, and then started incorporating the new 9-drawer one. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know. Subscribe. You can follow me on my Instagram down below. And peace out.